Hello, hello. It's 2020. Welcome to what is going to become a monthly offering to those on my newsletter, and that is a breathing technique from a series, and it's an Ayuryoga series that I learned studying many summers with Dr. Vasant Lad in upstate New York at Ananda Ashram. I have passed this Pranayama on many occasions and have studied it for just about a decade. So from the first time I sat with Dr. Ladd and learned the Pranayama, I took it to heart and I took it on and really studied it. So Pranayama is medicine. It is medicine. Our just who we are and how we breathe is our life. It is vital life force, and there are many components, and I'm going to do the super light version, and as the series goes on I will share some additional things to add into your practice, and I'm giving you baseline ways to start these breathing techniques. The first thing I want to share with you is that our hands have the elements. Our fingers, for example, the pinky is earth, the ring is water, the middle finger is fire, the index finger is air, and the thumb is ether. And why I am telling you this is that there are a series of mudras that go along in the Ayuryoga tradition. This tradition is ancient, came from rishis in India, and passed on to those who were fortunate enough to receive them. Now, the general mudra that I will do throughout these is Jnana mudra. That is ether to air. Ether to air assists our lungs in an opening, let's say. And the first breath is really not to be done in excess at all, because it's a very pitta generating, a very heat generating. It is called Bastrika, or bellows breath, and it is the opening to the series. It is a breath in the nostrils and into the lungs, into the chest, so to speak, because sometimes we breathe deeply into the belly. So it's into the chest. The base is 10. I don't even always do 10 because I am very pitta, and so you do less if you are pitta. Now, this breath is not to be done with someone who has glaucoma, a hernia, high blood pressure, and if you are pregnant or menstruating, you would not do any of this practice. So, all right, let's get started. I will have my hands in Jnana mudra, and I will also be pressing down on my legs as a support to open my chest. So here distinctly, you can see my shoulders become raised, and I'm pushing down. So the breath looks like this. It's in the nose. The out breath is complete. I almost did not do that one entirely complete. So it is a complete exhale. And in that exhale and in that bit of rest after, you flush the cardiovascular system and you enhance your vital capacity. So I'm going to do 10, and it looks like this. Actually, that was 5. I'm stopping because I want you to notice that what is happening on the exhale is a contraction of the alveoli in the lungs. They're actually going like this, and they're emptying out, and they're getting this muscular exercise. So I will do 5 more. That is Bastrika, bellows breath. And until next time, I will post yet another video, likely refining this particular breath. And until then, namaste.